Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Vanessa and I'm a local makeup artist in the San Francisco Bay Area. This is another video that's part of my Lashify series videos. This particular video, I want to focus on my journey with Lashify. I've now been using Lashify for over a year, about a year and 3 months or so, and I wear Lashify religiously every single day. So I wanted to tell you guys, first of all, how I found Lashify, my journey with Lashify, how I like it, how it's been now since that I have worn over a year, some recommendations I have for those of you that are looking into trying it out, and also the condition of my lashes now that I've worn it this long, because I think that's important to discuss. So to get started, let me tell you guys about how I found Lashify. As a makeup artist, I was starting to do research about trying to find more luxury style lashes for my clients. I also wanted something better for myself. I was also looking into lash extensions for myself. So of course, I got the Lashify ads. When I first saw the ads, as a professional, I dismissed them right away. I said, no way. DIY lash extension system? And if it's true, it's going to damage the heck out of your lashes. No way. It kept popping up, but what caught my attention was a live that was done by Sahara Lottie, who is the company's founder, CEO, owner. And she was doing a live application. To me, that's very different than a pre-recorded, edited video ad. Okay, because you can, nowadays people can edit something to look amazing, but this was live. So she was removing and applying live. And I watched quite a few lives because I would pay very close attention to the condition of her natural lashes. Okay, and it would always make me laugh when people would ask her in these lives if these lashes damaged your natural lashes. I'm thinking, of course she's gonna say no. So I kept a close eye, and I was very surprised because this woman was taking them off, putting them on, taking them off, putting them on, constantly doing these daily lives. And I watched for a few months. And so I decided, based on those lives, to give it a try. And still, I was very skeptical. I was looking into what the return policy was. And I also took photos of my natural lashes. Now, I'm going to show you here in this video the comparison of my natural lashes and then 5 months in. And these were just like whatever photos I took on my phone. So the quality isn't that great. I apologize. And I'm also going to show you now better quality photos of my lashes, my natural lashes recently. And you will notice there was a growth in my lashes. So again, I took it very seriously. I was like, let me see, let me take a picture. So I suggest that you do the same. Take a picture of your natural lashes and see what happens with time, because a lot of people actually notice lash growth. And the reason why that happened with me is because I was applying heavy loads of waterproof mascara. Waterproof mascara dries out your lashes. So my lashes were very short, dry, and brittle. So I needed all the help I can get. So with Lashify, the bonds are flexible. They don't have cyanoacrylates or formaldehydes, and they have biotin. So it actually protected my lash. When I got the kit, I didn't hold back. I got started playing with it, and I was so impressed. The first lash I put on, my mind was blown because of the ease, the quality of the lash. And my first application was not the best. It was actually kind of crooked. So I think by my third time, I mastered the alignment, how much bond I needed to put on, getting an idea of using the sizes that I wanted to use. But everybody has a little bit of a different learning curve. I kind of compare it to any makeup technique that you want to learn. When I show someone how to do winged eyeliner, for example, some people pick it up right away. Some people struggle. Some people take a little longer. So with this, it's kind of the same thing. It's not difficult. What I usually tell people is that it's different. So you're using a different application technique, you're using a new tool, new product. So for some, it takes a little bit longer than others, but everybody's different. But I would say that about 80% of people pick it up very quickly. So once I fell in love with the product and I was blown away by it, then I went on and decided to figure out how to get on the membership or if they had a pro program. And at the time they did have a pro program, but the membership for clients was actually better. So I started reaching out to them about that. And then I wanted to offer it to my clients. So I started to looking into how I could do this and how I could elevate my lash game and started offering it to my clients. I started practicing on friends and family, and then I extended it as part of my service. Another thing is that I also fell in love with the Lashify community. So I joined Lashify Life on Facebook, which I was pretty much almost inactive on Facebook until Lashify happened. So I joined that group, learned a lot on there, and also they invite their clients to do lives. So I was obsessed with making these lashes last as long as possible. So I took all the products that they had available and kept testing out different combinations. I tested it out on myself and also friends that were willing to come over and try these out for me and tell me how long this combo lasts, this eye versus this eye. So I came up with a very particular combination, and I did a live tutorial about it on the Lashify Life Facebook group, and it blew up there. A lot of people were appreciative of it. And because I used everything Lashify had at the time, I said I had to go Defcon 5 and use everything they've got. And that kind of stuck. So the technique was called Defcon 5. And now it's actually even part of Lashify's website and one of the techniques that is shared with clients, which is pretty cool. So that's kind of also what got me on the radar with Lashify. I kept reaching out to them. And for those of you that don't know, now I am an educator with Lashify, which is awesome. And great company to work for. Excited to be in the beginning part of this innovative company. But going back to longevity, with Defcon 5, I was able to get about 11 days wear out of my lashes. But when it comes to yourself, they are so easy to remove, clean, reapply if you want, that you don't need to stress about making them last so long. For example, if I know I'm gonna take one of those super long showers, spa days, wash my hair, I'm not gonna stress about it. I'm just gonna remove them. I could easily clean them back up and reapply them, especially because I can get both eyes done in under 10 minutes. The very first day I did it, I was overthinking it. I was reading the instructions. It took me about 30 minutes. But once I got the hang of it, it can be done so quickly. As a matter of fact, a lot of people choose to be daily wearers. Like I said, my sweet spot with these is about 4 to 5 days. So once you try it, you're gonna figure out what's good for you, for your lifestyle, but don't stress about the longevity. I know that you're comparing them to traditional lash extensions, which is one of the advantages of traditional lash extensions, that they last longer, but they use those harsher chemicals, and you have to go to a professional to get them touched up, to get them removed, to get them applied, and they're much more expensive than Lashify. So this gives you control. It also gives you control over what style you like, when you want to switch it up. So you decide which I prefer. Now, for those of you that get overwhelmed and think, I don't know if I'm going to be able to do this. First of all, I say try it out because it's a lot easier than you think. But if not, Lashify is currently working on their pro division, which I'm super excited about. And that means that you're going to be able to go to your local professional to either get these applied, get a lesson on how to do it, or just, get them applied for special occasions if that's what you want. Some people are not about DIY and they prefer to go to a professional and get it done by a professional. This will be available soon. And for those of you that love DIY, give this a shot. because you will love it. So this is my personal experience. I honestly, I know that I currently work for Lashify, but I work for Lashify because I fell in love with this product sincerely and honestly as a customer. And I wouldn't recommend it to my friends and family or my clients if I wasn't 100% positive about this product. So there it is. That's my personal experience with Lashify. And there will be more videos coming your way with application tips and tricks. I know that I still haven't done my Defcon 5 video here on YouTube. Don't ask me why. I just need to get on it and make it happen. So you guys will be able to view more instructional videos here. And also Lashify will be having a bigger presence on YouTube as well. So thank you guys for coming to my channel. I'll also be working on other things other than Lashify to share with you guys as well. And I will see you next time. Bye.